Today, we will show you how to pair your Tacx Alpine with your compatible smartphone. Scan the QR code on the box when you open your Tacx Alpine. This will take you to the Tacx Training app if you have it downloaded on your phone. Select Continue. You will need to ensure the firmware on your trainer is up to date. Select Setup Neo 3M or Setup Neo 2T, depending on which trainer you have. Select Firmware Update. Update the firmware if necessary. Then scan the QR code again to resume connecting the Tacx Alpine. Select Begin Setup. The Tacx Training app will walk you through the process to set up your bike with the Tacx Alpine and your Neo 3M or Neo 2T trainer. For more details on this process, please see our bike install video. Ensure your Tacx trainer is in pairing mode. Next, press and hold the auto button on your Tacx Alpine for 3 seconds to connect to your trainer and the training app. Select Connect. Select Continue. Select your Tacx trainer. Then select Next. You will want to measure your wheelbase with the tape measure included with your Tacx Alpine to calculate the incline of your trainer. Measure from the center of the axles. Enter your measurement into the Tacx Training app. Select Next. Now confirm the software is up to date. Select Update Now if prompted. Do not unplug your Tacx Alpine when updating. Select Continue when complete. Select Calibrate Now when prompted to calibrate your Tacx Alpine Smart Trainer. Your bike will move up and down the Tacx Alpine during the calibration process. Select Next. Follow the steps linked below to ensure your bike's chainstay and front fork have adequate clearance when using this product. Failure to do so could result in damage to your bike, trainer, or Alpine device. Your Tacx Alpine is set to auto mode and will automatically follow course gradients. You can also manually adjust the gradients by pressing the up and down buttons. Select Next. Select Exit Setup. Setting the grade range can be helpful if you find your bike makes contact with the trainer when going up to a certain grade or descending to a certain grade. Navigate to Settings. Select Setup Alpine. Select Device Settings. Select Grade. Toggle the grade range on. You can set the limit for minimum and maximum grade using the slider. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.